Yo, 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 it's your boy Stevenson Lindor, and I'm back with another video. As always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe down below. Comment, of course. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. All right. Got a busy week. We got a busy week. Crypto's back alive. Trump just made the news, right? The first crypto summit this week and got crypto jumping, man. Bitcoin pulled back and woof, bounced right off that 50 fib, went all the way down to about 79,000. Now it's back up to over 90, right? So, off the last video, I got a lot of positive feedback. So, I wanted to do a part two of how to utilize and leverage the Fibonacci tool correctly. All right. And I want to go over some of the setups that we took last week. And then also want to let you guys know we got a contest going on right now, man. Cash prize. First place, $10,000. Second place, I think it's like five, third, fourth. It's like 2,500 a piece. If you want access to that, guys, shoot me an email. I'll show you how to get plugged in. Community doing great as always. Okay. And before I get started, guys, I keep expressing this on all my videos, but it's so important, man. In order to become a good, profitable day-to-day trader, you want to be surrounded by like-minded individuals. All right. I'll be honest with you. One of the biggest keys to my success, my personal success that allows me to withdraw how I do, make money how I do, is because of the team I'm surrounded by. All right. Iron sharpens iron. If you're in Wall Street 2.0, there's nothing wrong with Wall Street 2.0. You get free knowledge. And every now and then I'll do a webinar. I'll pop up. Right. But for the most part, I'll drop signals. Cool. You take advantage of it. Great. Make money. Awesome. Kudos to you. But this right here, Trading Challenge 2024. I got to update this, make that 2025, right? You want to be a part of this. You want to be surrounded with these like-minded individuals bouncing ideas. These guys go in. My boy Kalan over here putting in work. My guys James, Pierre, Isaac. Shout out to these guys. Iron sharpens iron. You want to get inside here. We do a lot more live trading, a lot more analysis breakdown. I've introduced this new thing, boot camp, where it really hands-on and allows you guys to showcase your skill set. This is what you want to be a part of. So I need y'all to understand, if you really want to sharpen your trading this year, 2025, you need to be a part of this community right here. Like I said, we pretty much trade Mondays through Thursdays, sometimes Fridays, and then, the extra stuff, the recordings, and it's telling you it's 10x what you guys are getting in the free Wall Street family. But my point, we got a trading challenge going on. If you want access to that, hit me up. I'll show you how to get plugged in. Cash, money, reward for the biggest ROI. So hit me up. All right. So let's get to it. So actually, matter of fact, I just want to go back for a second and I want to use this. This is a perfect example. So I just dropped this NAS 100 buy, S&P 100 buy. I like the indices this week, but I want to talk about EU, right? EU buy setup. Okay. And the importance of staying with the trade. All right. So EU, I was looking for a sell setup for a number of reasons. Number one, the dollar. All right. So dollar broke out last week. It was at the bottom here, broke out. So we got a nice impulsive leg to the upside. And as you can see, I took my fib and I measured this leg. Guys, one of the easiest way to measure utilizing the fibs, if you have the MACD, use it in conjunction. So think about it. Every time you see a bullish or bearish wave, that's a leg. every time you see a bullish or bearish wave, that's a leg. So if I want to measure this bearish downtrend, I would start from the bullish top of this leg, right? I'll take my fib from the top of this leg, and then I'll come down to the bottom of this bearish leg. So you see, boom, perfect. If I want to measure the top, right? If I want to measure this bullish leg, right? I'm going to take it from the last low right here and measure it to the top. Perfect. All right. And again, notice how price bounces off these levels. All right. Notice how price bounces off these levels. So when it came to EU last week, and you always got to remember, guys, you got to be patient. You got to give it time, especially when you're trading on the 1 hour and up. Anytime you're trading on the 1 hour time frame and up, obviously I'm a swing trader. Everything's not going to pop right out the gate. So my first entry was around here. All right. And then I had a stop loss around 200, I think right above here. So then, boom, I got taken out. Remember, this is my previous high. This is the leg. All right. Price came down, right? Because we never broke. That means I would need a body to close above this previous high. So as long as I don't break that previous high, even though I got taken out, my stop loss was here. I got taken out. That was a losing trade. So if my entry was here, you lost about 18 pips. 18, let's say max 20 pips. Boom. I got another close below. So 1 hour, close below. This is my second entry. All right. Stop loss, again, above that high. Price came down. Boom. Took me out. So I'm already down 20 pips. This one's about another 10 pips. So 30 pips altogether. All right. Again, even though it wicked, it did not close above. I need the body, guys. Body. Always remember. It's the body. That's where the volume of the candle is. Price action did not close above there. Came down, gave me another bearish engulfing. So entry number 3. Right. Third entry. Stop loss above. And so Tuesday got in, got stopped out twice. And then Wednesday, 1 o'clock, and you got your 130 pip move. So you make up for the 30 pips that you lost. And now you're up 102 pips, right? All because that previous high did not break. So that's why the importance of structure is critical. So looking at EU for this week, that is my previous high. There's my low. As long as this leg does not break, I'm waiting for price to get to one of these fib levels, 50, 618. Those are my favorites, and I'm looking to short. Hell, I can pull back to 786 and the 88. As long as I don't break this high, I'm looking for sells. All right? That's your key. So that's why I'm always confident in my trade setups. By adding the fib, it should give you guys that extra confidence, right? Like I said, I just dropped S&P 500 and NAS 100. So again, we came down. Let's start this from scratch. Price came down near demand zone, right? Because at the end of the day, we're still in an uptrend. Go down to the 1 hour, and you can clearly see we got a change of character. Break. Down to my minutes. Perfect. So again, I want to measure this leg. So based on the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to start from this low, the low of this bearish wave on my MACD. I'm going to start there, and I'm going to grab this high. So what I would like to see is price correct, pull back between the 50, 618, and then continue going up. There's my change of character. There's my breakout. Now I'm looking for the retest. And I just wait. I let price pull back to you. Okay. Same thing with NAS 100. There's my leg from this low to this high. From this low to this high. And now I'm looking for a pullback. One great trade we took last week, I didn't get a chance to post it, was this Euro AUD. This Euro AUD was absolutely phenomenal. Right? So pretty much going back to the top. Well, not when I say the top, I mean the top. Probably up here. Definitely going to break this high. Let's go down 4 hour. So if I want to measure this leg, start from this low to this high. All right. So I would like to see a correction on Euro AUD to continue going up. And even during this correction, probably will most likely sell. But this is not ready yet because that's 160 pips. So I want to be able to grab that. But the sell is not ready. This is a strong, impulsive move. Very strong, impulsive move. So what you saw with Bitcoin just now, not by accident. Again, go to the daily, right? Measure this leg. This is a daily setup because each time frame is going to have its own correction. The 1 hour is going to have a retest. The 4 hours is going to have a retest. The daily is going to have a retest. So if I measure this leg from this low to this high, look at how price pulled right back to the 50 and nice bounce. So before Sunday, price shooting up, you had more than enough time. Right? This candle happened on Friday. And then look at that. That was your Saturday candle. All right. And you guys know I'm not BSing you because what did I post on Friday? Bitcoin. Right there. Now, was I expecting it to probably push down a little bit more? Yes, I would have liked to, but 50, 618. That's why it's my favorite. So you guys can't say, oh, it's very easy to say that after it already moved. No. There's the date, February 27th, right? Properly predict. So that's how easy and simple all of this can be. And then you're just watching price action, right? Actually, I need to show this. There we go. So you had your daily close, your 1 hour. So as you can see, there was the retest. Retest, setting up for that buy. All right. So now that we got that buy, I want to measure this leg, this low to this high. And I would love to see Bitcoin correct. Now, is it guaranteed it's always going to pull back? No, of course not, guys. We know that. But it's ideal towards your strategy. I don't want to chase. I don't want to buy right here. Always the pullback, guys. Always the correction. Let it pull back and then continue buying. All right. So I just wanted to do this quick video, guys, because I had a couple questions. Also, MACD. Go to indicators, guys. Type in MACD. It's a matter of preference. I like the MACD 4C. So as you can see, same one. But you can choose any one. They all work the same for the most part, right? Like MACD, crossover, that has the line. So it's all a matter of preference. If you ask me, which MACD do you use? And alerts. So if I'm looking for Bitcoin to pull back to around 86,000, I would right click right around it on your tablet, on your cell phone, on your whatever. And then as you can see, add alert around 86,000. And then I will get a notification via, go to notification on the app, email, if you want a sound to go off, and it will notify you. Because obviously I'm not watching all these pairs. But I like the indices. Wait for another correction on a lot of these cryptos. And I do like oil. I'm not going to lie. Oil's making higher highs. I would watch it on the 15 minutes, pulling back now. Looking for another buy there. And I want to see how gold sets up for this week. Gold dropped beautifully. So again, last week, we were able to take advantage of this. See, this was last week's high on Monday. Came up, actually gave you a change of character. Retest was not breaking. When this came down sharply, boom. So this leg, take your fib from this high to this low. Measure this leg. Measure. You see from the MACD, this leg, this bearish wave down. But it starts at the top of this bullish. And then there's your retest. Again, back to the 50, 618. Wait for a bearish close below a bullish candle. That's your entry. Stop loss above. And then there's your move. All right. Like I said, we got a contest going on right now, guys. Money's on the line. If you want to get access, shoot me an email, hit me up. If you want to be a part of the community, shoot me an email, hit me up. As always, guys, I appreciate you. I will drop another updated video later on in this week. Tell a friend to tell a friend. As always, like, share, comment below. Let's get it. Let's have an awesome week. It is March 2nd. By the time this video drops, it'll be March 3rd. Last month of the first quarter. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's turn up, guys. Appreciate you. Love you. See you on the next one. All right. I'm out.